Hello and welcome to Mr. Pumpkinstock blog. Today's video is about adding Gmail address to your Outlook. Open your Outlook app and then go to the settings from the file menu at the top. Once you are in the settings, choose accounts. All the accounts will be visible here and you need to create an add account and then enter your Gmail address here and click on continue. And click continue again to authenticate your Gmail address in the browser. Once the browser open, just sign in with your Gmail address and give the permission to access your email ID. Once done, you will be back to the Outlook, and you for checking your new email address you need to scroll down and there will be your new email address inbox. So you can click on the inbox. It will take some time to sync all the emails from your Gmail inbox, so wait for it and then you can use the Gmail in your Outlook.